Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that in 2024, the number of websites created daily has skyrocketed and AI is taking over the game? Today, I'm going to show you something truly amazing, an AI tool that builds websites in the blink of an eye. It's called V0, a brand new release from Vercel, and it's revolutionizing how we create websites. Whether you're tech savvy or just starting out, this tool can make your website building process fast and effortless. First things first, head over to the website and sign up using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the main homepage, which is sleek and easy to navigate. One of the coolest features? You can actually upload an image, and V0 will replicate the design based on it. Think about the time you'll save not having to design from scratch. But that's just the beginning. Let's dive in deeper and see what it's capable of. Now let's put it to the test. I'm going to type in a simple prompt and see how fast it generates a fully functional website. With just a click of the Generate button, the magic begins. Within seconds, it starts creating exactly what I asked for. From layout to design, everything is right there. You can even preview your website immediately, and if you like it, grab the source code with just one more click. But let's speed things up a bit. Watch this. I'm going to generate a smaller web page to show you just how quickly and efficiently V0 works. It's incredible how fast it churns out a polished, professional-looking site, perfectly designed to fit the prompt I provided. And that's all for today, folks. If you're looking to save time, effort, and skip the hassle of traditional website creation, V0 is definitely something you should check out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned for more tech reviews. I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI website builders, so drop your experiences in the comments below. See you guys in the next one.